Today, we're exploring the journey of Susan Boyle, the Scottish singing sensation whose 2009 audition for Britain's Got Talent remains one of the most unforgettable moments in television history. From her humble beginnings in a small village to selling over 25 million albums worldwide, she captured the hearts of a global audience with her powerful voice and unassuming nature. So, where is Susan Boyle now? Let's find out. Susan Boyle's rise was instantaneous. After stunning the world with her rendition of I Dreamed a Dream, she became an international phenomenon, releasing 8 studio albums and earning 2 Grammy nominations. However, her path has also been marked by significant personal and health challenges. In 2013, she went public with her diagnosis of Asperger's syndrome, and in April 2022, she suffered a minor stroke that temporarily affected her speech and ability to sing. For nearly 3 years, she stepped away from the spotlight to undergo intensive speech and vocal therapy, working privately to regain her legendary range. Where is Susan Boyle now? As of now, Susan Boyle is living a quiet but active life in her hometown of Blackburn, West Lothian, Scotland. Despite her massive fortune, she famously continues to live in the modest, 4-bedroom ex-council house she grew up in, though she did purchase the neighboring property to expand it into her dream home. This year has marked a major comeback for the singer, starting in April 2025, when she returned to social media on her 64th birthday to announce she was back and stronger than ever. Professionally, Susan has been incredibly busy throughout 2025. In May, she returned to the recording studio for the first time in 6 years, and as of late November, she confirmed that new music is officially scheduled for release in 2026. She has also made several high-profile public appearances recently, including attending the Pride of Britain Awards in October with a striking new blonde bob and being spotted enjoying the matches at Wimbledon earlier this summer. Fans are also looking forward to her first ever music festival appearance, which is set for the Summer's End Angus Festival in 2026. Susan Boyle has transitioned from a viral sensation into a resilient survivor and an enduring musical icon. While she still prioritizes her peace and health in Scotland, she is clearly ready for a bold new chapter in her career. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on icons who have made incredible comebacks and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.